To remove the hot swap power supply, if the server is in a rack, pull back the cable management arm to gain access to the rear of the server and the power supply. Disconnect the power cord from the hot swap power supply. Press and hold the release tab toward the handle and carefully pull the handle at the same time to slide the hot swap power supply out of the chassis. Note: if the server is installed in a rack, you may have to lift the power supply slightly upward to avoid the rack rails and/or cable management arm.